In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix PlayStation servers if they are down. Say PlayStation servers or PSN servers are not working today, here's how you can fix them. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, if your PS5 isn't letting you play online, what you're going to want to do first is actually just open up a browser on your phone or computer and search for Down Detector PlayStation Network. Just open up the Down Detector page and report the graph. If there's a huge spike in reports, that means a lot of players are having the exact same problem and the PlayStation servers are likely down. If reports start to go down a little bit, the servers may be coming back online, and at that point, all you really need to do is just wait and try again later because it's not actually on you. As soon as PSN is back up, just restart your PS5 by hitting the PlayStation controller, going all the way over, selecting this, and then hitting restart PS5. And as soon as you restart your PS5, you should be good to go. Also, make sure your system software is updated by going to settings, finding system on here, go into system software and find the option for system software update and settings. Make sure that it says update system software. Select that and go through with the full update process. And after doing that, and obviously if the servers are starting to, go back down in terms of the report graph, that means you are good to go. These servers will be back to working. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.